Are you tired of seeing pool floats and supplies scattered around your backyard? Well, worry no more. Today, we're diving deep into 10 stunning pool shit ideas to keep your pool area organized and stylish. Let's dive in. Idea number 1, Cabana-Style, a shaded and breezy retreat by the pool. Use a carport shit hybrid and transform it into a cabana by adding curtains and comfy outdoor furniture. Perfect for those lazy afternoons by the pool. Idea number 2, outdoor kitchen. Why just swim when you can dine by the pool? Add a grill, snack table, and cooler in the open space of your shed. Nothing beats a poolside BBQ party. Idea number 3, window bar seating. Got a shed window? Mount a bar or counter on its exterior. Add some bar stools and you're done. You have an instant spot for post-swim snacks and drinks. Idea number 4, guest house. Impress your guests with a room with a view. Turn your shed into a guest house right next to your pool. Let your friends wake up to the serene sight of water. Idea number 5, Pergola-Combo. Add a pergola to your pool shed. Not only does it provide shade, but it also makes for a perfect relaxation spot after swimming. Idea number 6, deck combo. Enhance your pool shed with a new deck. Decorate it with chair and plants and let it become a focal point of your landscape. Idea number 7, tiny house. Dreaming of a tiny house? Your pool shed can be it. Add features like a porch, windows, and roof shingles to give it that homey feel. Idea number 8, barn style. For those who love rural settings, a barn-style pool shed might just be the charm your backyard needs. It's versatile enough to store both pool and farm equipment. Idea number 9, living wall. Garden lovers, here's one for you. Allow fast-growing plants to grow along one wall of your pool shed, creating a stunning green facade. Idea number 10, greenhouse. Let your plants enjoy the pool view too. With the right setup, your pool shed can be a thriving space for your green friend. Okay, now that you have numerous ideas for the style, it's time to dive into your pool shed project and make every summer memorable. At Allen's Factory Outlet, you can get a custom-sized shed today for way less than most people pay. We can help you save thousands of dollars. Whenever you're ready, visit our website at allensfactoryoutlet.com to start customizing your shed. There's a link in the description. We'll see you there.